In this video, you will learn how to upload images and documents in ADONIS. Open a model of your choice. Drag any image from your computer and drop it into the editor. A note object displaying the image is automatically created. In the same manner, drag any document from your computer and drop it into the object catalog. A document object containing the file is automatically generated. From here, you can easily create relations by dragging and dropping your document onto the elements in the graphical editor. You can see your newly added object in the notebook of the element you assigned it to. Your document is also visible right above the task you assigned it to. Clicking on it will start its download. Have a look at the ADONIS online help for more information.